If you've ever stood at a gas station staring at those two pumps, one labeled gasoline and the other diesel, and wondered which one's actually better, you're not the only one. It's that never-ending argument every car person has had at least once. Even today, with electric cars grabbing headlines, the gas versus diesel showdown still won't die. Because at the end of the day, engines still matter. The way they sound, the way they pull, the way they make you feel behind the wheel. Gas engines are the smooth talkers of the car world. You tap the gas and bam, instant throttle, quick revs, and that sweet growl that hits you right in the feels. They work on spark ignition, meaning air and fuel mix up and a spark lights the fire. That's what gives them that playful, responsive vibe. The cars that make people fall in love with driving, sports cars, luxury rides, hot hatches, yeah, they're almost all gas. They rev high, sound amazing, and feel lighter. It's like your foot and the engine are having a real conversation. If you care about driving feel, gas is the one that wins hearts. Diesel engines, though, they're the workhorses. The brawlers. Instead of using a spark, they rely on compression. They squeeze air so tight it gets crazy hot, and when diesel fuel hits it, boom, it explodes on its own. The result, torque, a whole lot of it. If gas engines are sprinters, diesels are powerlifters. They don't scream up to redline, but they'll pull a trailer, climb a hill, or move a heavy SUV like it's nothing. That low-end shove you feel when you barely touch the pedal, that's diesel doing its thing. Diesel fuel packs more energy in every drop, so it goes farther too. That's why trucks, rigs, and off-road beasts swear by diesel. It's not about how fast you go. It's about how far and how hard you can push. Back in the day, gas was seen as refined while diesel was loud, dirty, and slow. But man, times have changed. Modern tech flipped the whole script. Diesels today use common rail injection, turbocharging, and after-treatment systems that make them clean, quiet, and efficient. And gas engines? They borrowed a bunch of diesel tricks, direct injection, variable valves, and turbos, to squeeze out more torque and better mileage. The line between them's gone fuzzy. A modern turbo gas can punch like an old diesel, and a new hybrid diesel can be smoother than some gas. The fight's closer than it's ever been. When it comes to fuel economy, diesel still wears the crown. A diesel engine can pull off 25 to 30% better mileage than a gas of the same size. Diesel fuel's got more energy per gallon, and those engines work at higher compression ratios, meaning they get more done with less. But here's the flip side. Diesel fuel usually costs more in the States. Plus, maintenance ain't cheap. Those DPF filters, EGR valves, and DEF systems, yeah, they'll take a bite out of your wallet. You might save at the pump, but you'll probably spend that money back at the shop. Gas engines burn a little more, sure, but they're simpler. No filters, no urea tanks, no regeneration nonsense. You just fill up and roll. So yeah, diesel wins on miles per gallon, but gas wins on cost per headache. Reliability's a big one too. Diesels are built tough. Thick blocks, heavy pistons, beefy crankshafts. That's why diesel trucks run 300,000 miles and still won't quit. But here's the catch. They like being used hard. You gotta give them highway time, heat, and distance. Baby a diesel with short trips and city traffic, and it'll gum up on you. Gas engines, way more chill. You can run errands, drive short, stop and go, it's fine. They're not as heavy duty, but they don't need to be. Keep up with oil changes, and they'll easily hit 200,000 miles. So diesel's the marathon runner. Gas is the daily commuter champ. Performance-wise, it's about what kind of thrill you want. Gas gives you that sharp punch and fast revs, perfect for folks who love cornering and that high rev adrenaline. Diesel's all about torque, pure seat-shoving strength. It's why they dominate trucks and off-road rides. So if you want fun, gas wins. If you want muscle, diesel's got your back, noise and feel. Gas is smooth and silky, barely hums at idle. Diesel's still got that deep mechanical rumble. Some folks hate it. Others love it. It feels powerful, real. Gas gives finesse. Diesel gives grit. Different strokes now about emissions. Gas burns more fuel, so more CO2. Diesel burns less, but spits out more nitrogen oxides and soot. That's what got diesel in trouble years back. Remember those European scandals? Yeah, companies had to throw in fancy filters and add blue systems just to pass tests. A lot of car makers pulled diesel cars out of the US market because of that mess. Gas engines, meanwhile, got cleaner and smarter, often with mild hybrids to cut emissions. But truth is, diesels are still insanely efficient on highways. If you're covering long miles, your total carbon output might even be lower than a gas is. It all depends on how and where you drive. Maintenance reality? Diesel engines are tanks, but keeping them happy costs money. Oil changes, fuel filters, glow plugs, DPF cleaning, all that adds up. And they're picky about fuel quality. One bad tank and you might clog injectors or worse. Gas cars. Much easier to live with. Miss a service or two and it probably won't explode on you. Parts are cheaper, shops are everywhere, and upkeep's lighter. For most average drivers, gas just makes more sense financially. Now both sides have been leveling up like crazy. Gas engines with turbochargers, hybrid assists, fancy timing, all that good stuff. Think Toyota's Dynamic Force or Ford's EcoBoost. Small engines with big punch. Diesels haven't been slacking either. Multi-stage turbos, advanced EGR, AdBlue systems. They're cleaner and more efficient than ever. Ram, BMW, Mercedes, they still rock diesels for their insane torque and range. Bottom line, neither is outdated. Both are evolving beasts. Here's the real truth, the better engine depends on you. If you're into quick response, smooth drives, and mostly city cruising, go gas. It's easier to live with and keeps things simple. But if you're hauling gear, towing, doing long trips, or just want something that'll outlast most cars on the road, diesel's your ride or die. Different fuels for different lifestyles. And yeah, we gotta talk about electrics. EVs are taking over the conversation, no doubt. But until charging stations are everywhere, gas and diesel still rule. Especially for long-haul folks, diesel still makes more sense. Some brands are even blending the best of both worlds. Diesel hybrids that mix torque and efficiency. On the flip side, gas hybrids are getting crazy good too. So no, this battle isn't ending. It's just leveling up. Resale value's another part of the game. Diesel vehicles, especially trucks and SUVs, keep their value like crazy if you maintain them. Some states are tightening emissions rules though, which might make older diesels harder to keep on the road. Gas cars are usually easier to sell in cities and suburban areas. It all depends on what you're driving. A small gas hatch might lose value fast, but a diesel pickup, that's basically an investment. At the end of the day, it's not just about stats, it's about feel. Gas gives you that crisp rising sound that makes you want to floor it just for fun. Diesel gives you that heavy, confident surge when you climb or tow. Both can make driving feel alive in totally different ways. That's the real magic. So who wins? Honestly, both. Gas is great for city life. Smooth, clean, and simple. Diesel owns the long roads, efficient, strong, and reliable. Gas is for the thrill seekers. Diesel's for the grinders. Technology's made both smarter, more refined, and way closer in performance than ever before. The best engine is the one that fits your lifestyle, period. In today's world, it's not about picking sides. It's about picking purpose. Both fuels have come a long way. Both are cleaner, stronger, and more capable than ever. Gas speaks to the heart. It's about emotion, revs, and passion. Diesel speaks to the hustle. It's about distance, torque, and grit. Whichever one you drive it like you mean it. Because when you understand your machine, whether it hums or growls, you realize something every car lover knows deep down. Every engine's got a soul, and every driver's got a story. And that right there is what keeps the road alive.